this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve any triangle using the sine rule. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. We can use the sine rule when two angles are given in a triangle and one side. For example, in this triangle ABC, two angles could be A and B and one of the sides. Or A and C can be given and side B. Another condition for using the sine rule is also when one angle is given, A for example, and the opposite side of A is also given, and either of the adjacent B or C could be given. In other words, if we have angle, angle, side, or angle, side, side, those are the two conditions that need to be met to be able to use the sine rule. Let's take that concept and check if we can apply the sine rule to this example where we're asked to find the length of side x. In this example, we have two angles, yes, and one side is given. So that means we have angle, angle, side, which satisfies the condition to be able to use the sine rule. If we label the triangle as A, B, C, with the corresponding side of A as the small letter A and the corresponding side of B, we can apply the sine rule here. My A is x, sine of angle A, which is 79 degrees, equals B, which is 5, over sine of B, which is 22 degrees. I want to solve for x, so the first thing I want to do is get rid of the fraction. So I can cross multiply 5 times sine of 79 equals x times sine of 22. Then I divide both sides by sine of 22 to get x on its own. So I'll have 5 multiplied by sine of 79 divided by sine of 22 equals x. If I plug that into my calculator exactly as is written, I'll get 13.1. So x equals 13.1 centimeter to 3 significant figures.